Hello everyone, going to do a review about this 3 pieces set. It's from the brand Fox18 and this is the Fox64 line. 3 Skoda 130 LR models, 2 Rally models and 1 red plain body. Here we got the box. And here we have some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Barcode, article number. Bought mine at Tom's Model Autos, biggest Diecast car store in the world. And yes, I did a video over there. Well, yeah, let's start with this one. There we go. Pretty nice packaging, I have to say. A limited edition, that is what we like. We have some information right here. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. A barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Name of the drivers on the side. Let's switch to detail mode and some extra light. Pretty cool, this front with those rally lights, and I believe it has a license plate. I like that. Also like the lights, I believe. Yeah, there's some sort of lanced lights, but it could also be painted. Looks like it's painted, but I like it. It's not bad at all. Category number Fox64 006. Number 24 Rally Rack 9086. Let's have a look in the interior. I'm not expecting a metal base, but we will find out later. Yeah, a license plate, I like that. And also painted rear lights. Let's take this beauty of the base. No side mirrors. That's a little bit disappointed. We got windows all around. We have a roll cage. Yeah, like I was expected, no metal base. They do have very good rolling wheels. Whoa. And a silver exhaust tip. I like that. Okay, let's put this one right here. And go to the next rally car. Barcode and article number. So this one has not these rally lights. Blue. And also different license plate. Yeah, you never know. And here we see this one has no advertising on the back window. So there are some differences between these rally cars. Most of the time it's only the number. Here we have some difference in details and tempo. And this is a Skoda 130 number 21, Rally Bohemia 9088. Let's take it off the base. Again, very good rolling wheels. Well, the ones in the front are a little bit... they do roll. And a different exhaust with this one. That's pretty cool, I like that. Yeah, I prefer with these rally lights, the halo lights, I like that. Nice. Okay, this one in the back, and then we got the last one. Yeah, this is going to be my favorite, the red version, the street version. One 30 LR red plain body, category number, barcode and article number. Yep. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite. Ooh, the wheel has to be a little bit, needs a little bit of adjustment. Also, the halo lights, I like that. But no license plate. Nah. Why not? It's a civilian car. It needs a license plate. Come on. Well, I can still give it a Dutch license plate. That would be cool. Yeah, tire needs a little bit of adjustment. Not as good rolling as the other ones. Same interior and also a roll cage. No seatings, no seating in the back. Made for rally driving. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, my first Fox models, Fox18 models, the 64 line, the Skoda. This is my favorite. Let me know what is your favorite. And don't forget to like and share. Click, 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 click. Bye.